I am super excited to tell you about this new launch from WavyTalk. WavyTalk makes the finest in beauty products, and look what we have here from them. Glow Time LED Therapy Mask. Wow, look at this. I love this presentation. We're going to unpack this today. Now, WavyTalk's Light Therapy Mask is very unique. I love the fact that it's white. I love that it has so many LED lights on it. Sometimes you get these masks and they don't have very many at all, really reducing what you can accomplish. Now, this has anti-fine line acne treatment, skin rejuvenation. It has red, near infrared light, and blue and amber light. So you have the combination of all of those. Now, it is proven in 81.5% reduction in breakouts after you're using a light therapy mask from WavyTalk. Now, there's different options here. They have very good instructions and a quick guide, plus giving you information about red light therapy and the benefits of that. I love that. And here we have a really nice bag, and in here are the ear straps. Here is the charging cord. That's a C cord with a USB output, and here are the eyepieces. And of course, the remote control. I'm going to put this all together and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's all put together. Now, what I like about this mask that makes it stand out among the others is these earpieces are adjustable, and it also has a headpiece. So this slips on the top of your head. Now, that gives you the ultimate of comfort, and it stays on well enough that you can move about and do other things. Now, that is superior to me. So this protective piece here, you can put it back on each time you use it just to keep it nice and clean. You'll take it off when you use it and wipe it down and then put it back on. I will show you in another video how I've used it and what the results look like. But this is the unboxing, and here is the control. Now, you have 3 levels. You have an anti-wrinkle, you have an anti-acne, and you have a rejuvenation level. And you also have different times and strength. So this is a superior red light mask. I really am excited to see all the results. I highly recommend all of WavyTalk's products, but this one is exceptional. I really am thankful that I was able to receive this product from my honest opinion. And this is your unboxing. And join me in the Get Beautiful routine with WavyTalk's Glow Time LED Therapy Mask with all the exquisite light features. You will love it.